Good evening, friends. Today we saw a big fall in Nifty. It came down to almost 17,442 levels and then bounced back sharply from that level and then almost tested 17,600 levels before settling down around 17,530 levels, which I was expecting it to do. So now if we see the candlestick pattern, it has formed a hammered pattern here. So hammered pattern suggests that the bulls ultimately took the control over the bears at the end of the day. So when the bulls take control, they will obviously will not leave the game there only. They will take it to the higher levels. So don't, I mean, forget about the FII figures or DII figures. Right now, the bulls are strong and they are going to take Nifty up to 17,600 and 17,640 levels. And if it sustains above that, then we can see the next levels of 17,842 and then 17,901. Probably this will happen only in the next week. So tomorrow I think it should test 17,600 and 17,640, and if there is any positive news from the global markets, then probably it may go much higher also. On the lower side, the support again remains as 17,442. Break below that, it may go up to 17,343. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. This is about Nifty. And then similarly, if we see Bank Nifty has remained positive, and the indications are that this will go up from here to higher levels of 37935 and then 38261. So it has again formed a bullish candle here, and it has remained, I mean, for all this it has been in this particular range only. So there is some news that some companies are going to get licenses for banking. I mean, there is a rumor. So probably you can expect the bank index and the consistent stocks in that. I mean the stocks within the bank index to move higher to higher levels, and then it may test 37935 and then 38261, and then probably this bank index and the banking stocks will also pull Nifty to the higher levels. So this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'll also discuss about two stocks today. The first one is Tata Motors. Tata Motors, as you can see, as it was in the uptrend, it was following a trend. Then suddenly it has fallen down from that trend line, and then there is an increase in volume also. And if you see the parameters, all the parameters are negative, indicating that it is a candidate for sell. So it can go down up to 421 levels. It has closed around 438 now. So 421 levels may be tested. And when we short any of the stocks or options, make sure that you trail with the stop loss as it goes on, because there is all probability that these patterns will suddenly reverse anytime. So trailing stop loss is very important in case if you short in these stocks. So parameters are all negative for Motors, and I think it's a fit candidate for shorting. And similarly, there is one more stock which has given a similar pattern, that is SRF. So as you can see, again this has broken the trend line on the lower side with increase in volumes compared to the earlier days, and also the parameters are all negative. So this is also a sell candidate, and then it can go down up to 2530 levels. So here also, as you, in case if you short it, don't forget to trail the stop loss, because there is a possibility that they may reverse at any time depending on what the insiders want to do. So this is also a sell candidate. So have a good trading day tomorrow. Sure. Good night.